Hey, good morning. It's the weekend, Saturday morning. I was gonna go and run out and do all my errands and have fun and go fishing and do all the stuff I love to do and put this off another time. But I've been procrastinating too much, especially on this. So I need to redo my bar tape and on my daily. So here we go. Stay tuned. All right. Okay, so we're gonna get rid of this terrible eyesore. I just kind of kept it going. I ride this every day, so this bike's got some miles on it. Univega Aero Sport is what that says. Wow, that's some serious rust on here. Ugh. Okay, so I did one side and I'm gonna start the other. And what we're gonna do is go counterclockwise on this one. All right, well, it's not perfect, but for a first try, I'd say it's good. I'm happy with it. It's soft. Feels good in my hand. Boy, cushy. Actually, yeah. So this was my first effort. Put on some bar tape. Or put on some decent bar tape. Thanks for watching, y'all. Let's go for a ride.